Setting up the lead event with trigger for tracking visits to the thank you page. To set up the lead event when visiting the thank you page, you need to configure a trigger based on the page URL. First, open the page with the form through the browser container preview in GTM. After the page opens, you will see the page loading stages in the preview. Now, fill out the form and click the Submit button to be redirected to the thank you page on your site. Once the thank you page is opened, return to the preview to see the loading stages of the thank you page, and at this point, make sure that GTM correctly recognizes the URL of your thank you page. Now, create a new tag for the lead event. You can copy the existing CAPI page view tag from the previous lesson and name the new tag CAPI lead. Don't forget to set lead in the event name field. Then, scroll down and set the page view trigger, configuring it with the condition page path, contains, and the URL of your thank you page. Note that the URL of the thank you page should be specified without the domain. This is necessary for the trigger to work, even if you change the domain or if you use multiple domains. However, if you want the trigger to work only for a specific domain, instead of page path, specify page URL and provide the full URL of the thank you page, including the domain. Save the tag. In previous lessons, I showed how to test the event, but let's do it again to reinforce the material. Go to the server container in GTM and open the FB client to insert the test code that you copied from the FB pixel settings. Save the changes in the FB client and run the server container in preview mode. Then, once again, launch the browser container in preview mode. Fill out the form on your site, and after being redirected to the thank you page, ensure that the lead event has been sent via the browser pixel. Also, check that the server container preview shows a successful request for the server-side LED event. You can also verify the delivery of LED events in Facebook's testing section. Keep in mind that this testing section on Facebook sometimes has bugs, so if your result differs from this video, don't worry, it's just the visual part. The most important thing is to check the request delivery in the server container. Don't forget to remove the test code from the FB client and publish both the server and browser containers.